Hi, and welcome to my YouTube. Today, we are going to go explore some waterfalls and go swimming, and my two friends are coming along, and we're going to have so much fun. Hi, friends! We're going hiking. We're gonna go find waterfalls. We just made it to a waterfall. There's one more to explore and a really cool temple. I'm gonna go move it stuff. Friends! Alright, so we just finished on the waterfall. We went swimming and it was super fun, very refreshing, cooling. As you can tell, my hair's wet. Distracted by the monkeys. Hi! Hi! So we got back a while ago and we got food and we got it for takeaway. So we came back home with a bunch of food and we sat down and watched the movie and ate and ate and ate. It was a great way to end the day. I'm super happy. Really, really tired. Was being out in the sun all day. Just being in the water. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. But thank you for watching and keeping up with our adventures today. I don't really know what my next adventure is going to be, but stay tuned and I will make a video of it and you can watch it. I feel like there was something else I should have said. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!